So I was out working, and we were kind of looking everywhere for Winnie. She's not on the couch. She's not on her bed, though she did eat a hole in it. She's passed out behind her bed, hiding behind the couch, just snoozing away. Winnie! Oh, say, please don't touch me. Are you snoozing? Oh, there you are. Found you. Yeah, found you. Yep, our little porcupine. There she is. There she is, Norm, huh? There's your girl.